Okay, looks like it's working. Checking the audio. Oh god. I'm creating an exit loop. Oops. Whatever. The microphone is working. It should be. If it's not, please tell me. Sorry for the audio loop. If the music is too high, just please let me know. Oh, there should be like 30 second delay between what you see, like the comments. But I'm trying some different configuration, like I'm trying to stream in 4K. Like it's the first time I ever tried. It may be a total mess. I can skip frames, I don't know. So I'm just trying out new OBS settings. So if this sucks, I'm sorry. Whatever. I want to try Astro. I played a bit with Astro in the past few days. Actually, I moved an old website of mine, Milano.dev, to Astro. It's not the online version is still using Gatsby, but I'm working on a new version that will be like a template for other community to use. That's based on Astro. There's a lot of interesting things about Astro, but also a lot of doubt about how it works, what are the limits, especially when it comes to deciding whether to render something static, something hybrid, or something serverful. Especially because changing the deploy targets, you change it like a lot. What the capabilities, what you can do. For example, historically, it's been a pain in the ass to move from a fully static website to, let's say, like 11ly Hugo or something like that, to have even just one route that is dynamic. Next.js made it super easy to do this kind of transition. I want to try to understand how does this work in Astro, especially the difference between the static and the hybrid build. I'm super noob when it comes to Astro, so I don't know. I'm here to learn. Why not learn with other people along the journey? So if anybody have any questions, feel free to write in the chat. I'll be glad to talk about, especially if you know Astro better than I do, which is very likely. Okay, I just take a moment to like say that I'm online. I'm using Typholy for this. Okay, I just want to remove the auto sync because I want to patch this one for Twitter. Okay. It should work. Bang. Okay, fantastic. Okay, the first thing I want to really understand is the difference in the build system. I'm going to create a new project. Okay, let's use npm. It's okay. Astro reverse engineering. I think we use the block template because it has multiple files, multiple routes, and it can work good in most scenario. I think I'm gonna create a new template later, starting from scratch, just to better understand like the minor differences in between like server-side rendering or not, but we will see. By the way, it's a pretty nice experience. As far as I know, it's all custom-made. Yeah, by the way, all of this is obviously open source. I'm also like I haven't used the OBS in a while, so actually this is the first time I stream on this computer. So anything that is pretty problem, like microphone's not working, too loud, not loud enough, please let me know, because I'm using this like as a testing ground. Holy shit, why is it taking so long? Okay, of course, like strictest, of course, I'm gonna say the strictest. Yeah, why not? Okay, Astro JS Engineering. I'm gonna use the presentation mode, so what? Oh, Astro JS. Oh God, I have a wrong. Okay, I have I'm using two computers at the moment that have different configuration of what the tab and the enter does. So I didn't even notice I was not using the input. Luigi, you just get what template I'm using. I'm not using anything. I'm just using plain. What? Okay, I'm just using plain OBS. Okay, I'm gonna open this and like okay, in the presentation mode it should be zoomed enough. If it's not, let's talk about it. Okay. Okay, this is working. It's not working. Why it's not working? I don't know. Oh yeah, because it's something that gets created based on our content. So like script, which is actually if you're creative, and oops, it's not an but it's like a cat of package in Python too. JQ is a tool for to parse and show pretty JSON output. And so yeah, the script file. Let's do okay. P is a trigger from PNPM. Okay, things get generated, types get generated, and also they should somehow be generated at some moment. I don't know why it's not. Okay, let me move this. Okay, pretty basics. Let's try to understand what's going on, because that's it. That's the whole point. So I don't really care about the developer experience at the moment. All I care about the deployment experience and what is going to be generated. So let's see. Let's just say, okay, there is no adapter. There is no like output. I'm not sure what is the okay. The default is not specified, but okay, the default is static. Okay, great. So let's just create a build, a production build, and let's see what gets created into this folder. Okay, nice. Content config. Okay, this is I know I don't know enough to explain what all this is, but if I'm not mistaken, this Z is Zod. this the validation library, and they use this to validate some kind of content. For example, here the content, what is content? It's kind of blog. This shall match with a folder name, and these are the content. And as you can see, like a pub date, title, description in the front matter of the either the MDX. I'm not using MDX much, so I don't even have editor extension or highlight extension at the moment. But Luigi, everything is working on your side, or just I'm just talking to myself and nothing is working? Okay, so basically it created it should have created a static version of this website. Looks like it is. Right, this folder is this index.html. It all the links to the thing. I want to understand where the RSS come from. Right? RSS. Okay, there is a package. There you. In source pages. Oh yeah, I read this in the documentation. Yeah, basically anything that is not a .astro is basically something. If you return if it's JS, you return like JSON or XML or something. In this case, it is returning XML. It's actually creating like your website / RSS.xml, and to get the collection, I like this thing that they're getting the things by name. Is this type safe? I don't like that it's not getting the type, but whatever. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, just on a nicely run that. Good. Okay, let's see also what packages. Okay, MDX sitemap. Oh, nice. And it's not really that complicated. It's just a bunch of very understandable files. I'm not sure what this will do. For example, like if you do a preview, is it going to crash because it's a different domain? Oh, yeah, I have a work project running on a different port, on the same port. Yeah, let's just preview. Okay, maybe the link are going to. No, to be honest, I have no idea where this site takes any meaning. Oh yeah, maybe in the source map. I mean, in the sitemap and the RSS. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. And this should be totally static, so it's not a single page application. Like if I go to the server, I try to go to the blog, it's sure just there is no web server serving it. I'm curious what the DP is doing. So let's go to like the preview command is doing. Let's Astro preview. So let's Astro GitHub. I want to see like where is the CLI? Is a different project. Clean. No. Okay. Oh, like packages. Where is the CLI? Maybe it's this. Let's see, like the packages on. Here's the bean. Yeah, bean. Astro. Oh, okay. So it's very likely that. Oh, okay. CLI, CLI preview, case preview, await core preview, index and server. We could disable to start doing our operation. Okay, but this is a different one. But if server, don't know which server because yeah, let's see what it's doing. Like this call to preview. Core preview. I'm not really sure where who is serving the file. I don't really understand what's going on here. Core preview index. Primitive action. Automatic with the admin browsers. Also star. Total concept is okay. Okay. Create static preview server. Oh, interesting. Yeah, that totally makes sense. You should only use this kind of like opening a web server and serving the this folder only for only if the config is static. Otherwise, it needs another server that's serving the compiled version of the pages. Okay, I don't want to go too much into the details on the hybrid server pool because it will be too complicated for my knowledge level of Astro, but this is exactly what I wanted to see. Create the preview server. Okay, static preview server. Static preview server. Create static preview server. Preview. Where does preview come from? Okay, from Vite. Directly from Vite. Like Vite preview. I have no idea. Vite offered this kind of thing. Like I can, for example, npx Vite preview dist. Oh shit! I mean, it's kind of working. Interesting. Very interesting. And very interesting how Vite really is just building blocks for framework creator. That's really amazing. Okay, that's cool. So we have this index.html, and for all these pages, we have like about to get converted to about /index, and like every page. This is not a single page application. This is a multi-page application. So every page should be should have everything. It needs like all the styles. I don't know how it was when it comes to splitting bundle. Especially for example, is about only getting the global CSS that is using, how the tree shake work, blah blah blah. I don't know, I don't care, to be honest, at this moment. But for example, let's see the style. Rel style. What the fuck? Okay, it's pretty strange that it's is importing like CSS that looks like it's for the about page is downloaded from the index. What? Okay, I totally get it for the header because it's shared across, because it is part of the it's part of the template of the layout. I don't get. I don't get it. Oh yeah, come. Yeah, oops. Because I was the index page of the about. In the index of the index. No, there's also about reference there. Oh, I don't know. But whatever. So, preview. Okay. About. Okay. Well, I know for sure this should be like extremely freaking performance, but yeah, it's totally step. Let's remove all the filters. Yeah, there's not yet whatsoever. Yeah, they promised, they delivered. I have. I don't think there is things like for that something for dynamic island in this template. I don't care about islands. If you have an idea what I'm talking about when I say island, go check the Astro documentation. It's a way to like embed only client side, and both client side and server side, other frameworks, and like partial iteration only for the thing you want to be interactive. Yeah, everything is built compact a bit time. Let's see how. Okay, for the index and about 30 pages. Okay, cool. For the index, okay, let's see what's going on. Is taking the post, the collection. I really like that you can just await this and all of this gets compiled after. It's kind of strange to me that I mean the layout. This is not using layout. This is using layout. Okay. Okay, it's a bit strange to me that you manually go to like to create the HTML tag, the type, and the edit check for every page. On one end, on another end, it's fantastic. It's absolutely crazy to have this kind of control. I like it. I see where you're like situation. Hey, I'm creating a layout. Should I put the HTML in here or not? Because it's so easy that things get out of sync, etc. But you know, not a big problem. I'd rather have the power to do something and for it to be a little boring to do from time to time. Like you're not going to create templates all day long. But it's extremely frustrating when you want to do something like basic, like, hey, I want to interact before the HTML tag gets created, but you don't. And that's so frustrating. Okay, this is like next and others. Okay, get static prop, exactly like Next.js, and that's cool. It is nice is as pattern. Why does that have to be export? Well, I mean, I'm not sure if it needs to be exported because somebody is going to call it outside of the context, but yeah, maybe. All this bundle thing is really complex, especially when it comes like to have a custom compiler for handling all this crazy stuff. Okay, post. Okay, it's pretty simple. This is getting the static path. So for all the posts is getting this is the like the parameter, and oh no, that's really cool. That's really cool that the post is like oh no, yeah, it's exactly what we'll do. Like in React, we will get the post here and send it to the as a prop. Okay. So the content is posted render. Astro selection render. I believe this is because this is a markdown. Yeah, so it's like a entry post entry render. Like it is a way to do markdown to HTML that is common for the contents, like this abstraction. So okay, there's a blog post and it's going to get the blog itself, and did it for every page. So for every post, there's going to be created like a post page with the okay, yeah, the param absolutely is like the blog slash Slack. So for every post, it's going to create blog slash Slack, and it's going to be populated with the content of blog post. Blog post is just yet another page, and it gets the post from the props. This is like props. Yeah, it should be like a post. Oh, yeah. I don't know. The TypeScript situation is a bit weird, but it probably might be my setup. Okay, but oh yeah, but it works. Okay, this is actually creating a type. This type is going to be used by Astro, that is exposing the extra prop that inside of this is going to be the post. Because yeah, we're spreading all the post properties that are schizophrenic, which actually are the one from the Zod schema. Totally makes sense. And for every post, we're just creating yeah, I like it. I like it. I mean, if we wanted like to pass like next post link, previous post link, it will be just a property that we just use in the template view. Nice. Okay, everything was static. This is like the most basic form for creating something like that. And let's try to prove it somehow, like const now, validated now. No, let's do a new data point to do isostring, no, like to local I'm string like et.it, if I'm not mistaken. like div and style. I'm not sure I can do it this way. Can I? Let's learn it together. I have no idea what I'm doing. This was a blog post, so let's go to the blog. Let's go to. Okay, it's working. Nice. Okay, I'll learn two important things. Inline style can be done by object, and this is flat. But this, okay, looks like this is created on every time, but you're in development mode. Don't trust development mode ever when there's this kind of test. So let's build a server, and let's do the preview. I expect the now to never change. If it does, I'll be extremely confused. Okay, because it was created at build time. Okay, great. How to enable the server thing, if I'm not mistaken, is as simple as server. Okay, let's see how all of this changes. Now we have like plain HTML pages. Also let's make a comment to make it easier to understand. Also, I want to remove the dist from the git ignore, because I want to see the differences between one build and another. I'm only doing this for testing purpose, obviously. So okay, let's see how the build differs when using the cannot use server or route without an adapter. Please install and configure the appropriate adapter. Oh, okay. Service running. Okay. Look. Okay, let's think about this for a moment. If it's static, just HTML file, any web server can serve this. When you're going to create a page, like going to respond a dynamic HTML page in response to a request, the request needs to be handled by some web server that handles the request and creates the page. It's going to be completely different based on the runtime when it runs. But is it going to be deployed in like a normal server? Like this one in this example, and this one is we're going to use locally. Like, is it a Node.js server? Okay, it's going to have like a response, node request response object, etc. I'm not really sure if it's implemented the fetch. Yeah, on a new version it does, on the previous. I'm not sure for the web server, but doesn't matter. For different runtimes, for example, like for Vercel, deployment on Vercel, it will be something like the node because it's running AWS Lambda, but it can also be like an edge function, which is a Cloudflare worker. So also like the Cloudflare adapter needs to render the page in an environment or runtime that is V8, the same runtime they use by Chrome, and not by Node.js. The API available are different. Is a well different runtime. I think it might be even different, like for Dino or Ban, but as long as they adhere to the browser request response paradigm, shouldn't be very that complicated, especially because the keyboard handle modules. That is interesting. It's like type of module by default. Okay. Oh yeah, absolutely Netlify. Netlify, if I'm not mistaken, the Netlify function are Dino function. I remember reading something like that, but I'm sure super base function are Dino function. Netlify, I may be wrong. Astro JS. Okay, I wasn't really sure if calling this Astro JS, like even in the title of the video was correct, but looks like it is. But are we going to learn how the hell it's work? Absolutely. Let's go to packages and adapter. Where the fuck? npm Astro.js node. Astro.js node. Oh, okay. Finding like. Okay. I expected this to be a direct link, but it's not because it is a monorepo. But I saw it like packages is under integrations. Integration node. So I'm super curious about this. Let's see what is the entry point. File main. Let's go back to file. This. So I guess there's like an index here. Yeah, there is an index here. Is a barrel file. Let's not get adapter. Preview entry point. One is called the preview entry point. Okay, this server. Query Explorer start. Is not standalone. Server standalone. Start server. Okay. Okay, great. Like it's it's a great server, and I'm pretty sure it's just using the HTTP package. Yes. This is exactly what I expected. What I expected to see. Yeah, I guess this is have some black magic about rerunning on file changes, etc. I want to see the request handler. It should be request. No, start server. Handler. What's middleware? Okay. Ooh, not middleware. Yeah, encounter question, server response. Okay, nice. Right, web response. Okay, now there is something I'm really curious about. I'm receiving the request. How the compilation works. I mean, I think there's two completely different approaches. One, I get a request and compile in .astro file to HTML. This is super unlikely because it means you have to deploy like your entire build chain in production. So I expect that when you compile, it compiles all your pages into like function that gets parameters that for anything that is somehow dynamic, and you call this function from somewhere. Maybe there are even like WebAssembly, maybe. So where's the point where a request goes to Astro path? Oh, okay, yeah. App render. Going to pass the request to route the locals. Okay. App. What on earth is app? App is passed to the middleware into nope. Standalone middleware. The app. What is the app? Is passed to a start server. Start server receives the app. The app comes from no new app. Processor manifest. I absolutely have no freaking idea. Yeah. I just want to see the. I don't want to go too crazy about it. I just duplicate this because I want to use press dot super trick for this open up disco distance in your browser because I want to go to the definition this go to definition of this. No, come on. If it worked, would be cool. It's not, but I don't want to waste too much time on it. So I want to say a node app, Astro. Okay, Astro app node. Okay. Package Astro source code, node app extends up. Yes. Okay. Render. Oh yes. This is a juicy stuff. Okay, Rick's body, blah blah blah. Super render. Okay, because extending up. What is up? Okay. By the way, like super render. Create request from. Yeah, it's like streaming stuff. I don't care. I think the magic is in here. In the app renders. Okay, like index class app. I really don't like this private syntax. By the way, how's the music level compared to the audio level? Because I tried to do something kind of automatic, where when I talk, it should lower the volume of the music, but I'm not sure at all if this is working. Okay, it's the first time I try it, actually. I want to see. What is a render? Okay, root data. Okay, this one the match because match is going to get from the URL, and okay, maybe this is where it's going to get like get server side. No, I mean get static props and this blah blah blah. Match root. Oh, nice. Okay, nice. We do nothing if the route exported parameter. So yeah, we are literally importing the thing in between the dash at the top of the file here. Cool. Root data match root. What is this? Compiler magic. Okay. Root match root data match root. Okay. This can become a real rabbit hole, but it's cool. So let's try. because I want to understand where the data came from. Oh, I love lose navigation. Render road data, the match road. Let's go to see match road, guess get for some props. Boom! Product component, root with cache, blah blah blah. Get props and props. Try with root component. Let's go. Oh, okay. There's so too much things going on. The kind of thing that needs me to go super deep down. Yeah. Re-render. Okay. Okay. This is exactly okay. The root, okay, because this is not the match. The match goes and takes all the data required for the render. Who's gonna rendering? Reflect. Ooh. It's very rare to see reflect in the wild. Okay. Okay, is a page or is a redirect? Want to do stuff with it? Status. Okay, response. Okay, this point the random page. Random page takes the route data, the request, and single page build log. What is this? Mod. Okay, mod is get module for root. Get module for root. Import component distance, page mod. Okay, I think it is what I was saying some time ago. Like somewhere there's going to be something that hooks into the Astro build system or the artifact created by the build system. Okay, nice. Let's render. For some reason, I find these kind of things very fascinating and interesting. Because the next time I go to to read the proper documentation, with diagrams, etc., I didn't understand because oh yeah, it's rendering page. Oh yeah, a model page content, and I can go back to this and understand what's going on for real. Yeah, like this is where the sausage is made. But whew, what an excursus! Because all I wanted was using this segment adapter. Adapter. network node adapter. Is this correct on the first try? No, it's not. Boom! Oh, static mod is required? What? Oh. Okay. Astro adapter node. What is a standalone? Okay, standalone mode. Okay. Control where the adapter builds the middleware standalone mode. Middleware allowed to be used as middle for an analog server. Oh, okay. Okay. If it's standalone, it returns like it start a server. If it's middleware, it gives you a handler function back to be used in your own server. Nice to have this kind of flexibility. So we're going to use standalone in this case. Oops. Let's build. Oh yes. Very interesting. Two separate folders, like client, that have nothing. So it's like it's by default everything is like entry point or renderer. Yeah, maybe it is the thing that gets hooked from the adapter when it runs and know how to render a page. Maybe like chunks page. Yeah. That's totally what I was expecting. Like a function that is returning the HTML that can get used by someone else, and it just injects all the things that are dynamic or after all, it's just a big ass string. Oh yeah, absolutely. That's that's cool. I really love how readable the output is. I really like this. Well, not because it's useful. It's just for my own amusement. Yeah. I mean, the first time I tried to read the Next.js output, oh my god, because it was all compiled and different way. It's not their fault, obviously. It's don't try this at all. Like renders and okay, wow. So if I do like the preview, it is now. I wonder what's going on. It is either running the server or injecting a different configuration in order to get a middleware and use the middleware within the preview. I mean, like the middleware mod, I think this end is going to be generated. There's no escape from that. Going to be generated, and the standalone server is used the middleware. Yeah, we actually saw it before, like in this. Oh yeah, no, close the file, but when we created the app, we were always passing to middleware function. Okay, so this should work, and this what? Post runs not a function. What the fuck? Guess that is plugged is a normal server. Post run. Oh yeah, the spaceship front is just an error of my editor. Just don't mind it. Well, that's really underwhelming. No. Why is that? Why is that? I mean, I get that this doesn't make sense. Okay. Astronaut actor. I guess that. Honestly, car user. Standalone. Hmm. Not yet started. I mean, I'm going directly to this. I mean, the fact itself that this is generated, like, okay. Okay, I have to build it again. Preview again. Fuck my life. Local time. We need the minute and the hours and the seconds. Oh, it's unexpected. Always using midnight. Like, it's just like make it now. Oh, deal. Preview. But it really looks like the 4K streaming is rocking. With the Mac Studio, I'm only like 30%. CPU usage is cool. Okay, this is happening. This is happening. Still zero JavaScript shipped, so this is getting server rendered. This time try to console log. Like process, not like process. Like no down. Let's try to refresh. Bam. I have an idea why. Oh yeah, because we are within a loop, within a map. Okay, it totally makes sense. It's only run on the server. I actually don't get why this is broken. This breaks my heart because post.trend is not a function. Fuck. I don't think it is a problem on. Post.trend is not a function. Oh. Because this is undefined. Because the I'm confused. I don't know. SSR Astro. Okay, page CD Astro, product. Okay. You can reserve. anything is doing render. Okay, it's not rendering anymore manually, which makes sense. Okay, this is not required. I mean, if I remove this, is the title working? You have to, okay. We build and preview. Oh yeah, I guess we need to get like, I mean, with get static packs, we say what it's like is. But when we start rendering, we want to get told what the param is. So who's gonna tell me? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And it's just like that. Collection, like, can I get like an ID? Okay, like I have. What the fuck is the get for now? Collection. Okay, Astro param flag. Okay, flag. Oops. Astro param flag. Can this be done? This is like prop, like prop something. Oh no, like, yeah, just a post. I have the post. Post is not coming. I'm really confused. Okay, let's try it this way. Post. Jaga, you should read the documentation before trying to be a. Yeah, that's what I usually do, but it's completely boring when doing streaming. Much better to break things. Really on the fine. Console.log. Let's click on D. It's interesting that. What the fuck? Oh, yeah. I went too far. Oh no, this is required. Boom. Okay. Interesting that things do not explode at build time. How exploding can retile, but okay, this is. Yeah, we have the post. And oh, what the fuck? So, like, I think the big content was correct. Okay, post, but the post, yeah, maybe this is correct because what I'm. Oh yeah, it's an array. Okay, looks like this is still giving like. I see that was like get entry. If I want only one, you can run a single page. And render. Sorry. Oh yes, yes. Get into the slug. Get into the slug from Astro content. So yeah, and the slug. Post. Place word. Can reply the file reading random. Fuck my life. Okay. So post slide and post. Let's also like add some emoji to find the thing. Okay, this is a very neat trick. Now it's going to generate errors. I do command up, and it's going to go to the latest command set. Guess value path is not available. Undefined. What? You want the slug? Oh, yeah, because this is slug. Oh! We did it! No documentation, squad! Oh, God. Oh, this is so strange to me because when I work, I'm like, I don't touch anything that I don't fully understand. So I literally read tons of documentation, tons of the project source code before even trying. But I'm trying to change that in some way because, especially when it comes to passion project and interesting things, I end up with so much information about something works, like in terms, and then I get bored and I stop and I don't use it. So I'm trying to like get in the hacking style, kind of fun back. Okay, woo! Yeah. Okay, I'm super content. And this is a freaking server render! Yeah! Okay. Wait. Okay, let's see another situation. Like, I don't want my I don't want this to be done because for attending, like, I mean, I really like the way this is just a function. But let's try to render. We saw the settings. We saw the setting in the source code. So export const to pre-render. Cool. Okay. I'm going to create a commit, so everything is fresh, and let's see what's changing when a page does a pre-rendering. Let's see the version control changes. Okay, like the entry. Okay, just some patches. No idea what I'm looking at. It was like index something. I don't care. Whatever. The biggest thing is that we no longer have server chunks page in. Oh, yeah. First, what? Maybe it doesn't delete the whole things. Rm.rf. This. Let's build it again. Server chunk page index. Okay, from some reason you want to. Oh, I don't know. I was thinking, oh, maybe you generate it later, but you don't because you have it already here. But hey, that's cool. That's really cool. Okay, I was saying it will be cool if it will be opt in to be dynamic. I'm pretty sure that's what hybrid thing is all about. Like Astro config, just like output hybrid. Oh yeah, it's with a Y. Oh come on. Output. Show me the auto suggestion. Restart TypeScript. Restart TypeScript server. Long overdue. By the way, hybrid. It's so hard to write that. Okay, little commit. Oops. If you wonder, what is G dot? Oh damn! I don't. The ls command doesn't work because I'm using Fig. But it's actually UNI git add dot and creating a amazing comment message with a message dot. It's super cool for typing. So yeah, done it already. We will preview. Invalid input, output. Oh, I breed. It first. Yeah, okay. Adapter, node adapter, and we know modes and long. Oh. Why don't you want the bell? It's physical, right? Hybrid, yeah, it's hybrid. Can't use output server without an adapter. Please install that. What the fuck are you talking about? I have an adapter. Jeez. Oh no, adapter. Damn you, Copilot. You suck. Post? It's not defined. Post is not defined. Oh yeah, well, because this is the opposite. Now this became a pre-rendered by default. Export const pre-render equal post. This is going to hook into the page render thing. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay. After the first refresh, because out reload, etc. Okay. This is static. This is static. This is dynamic. Oh come on! It's so freaking cool. Let's get to see the difference. Okay. Like, yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, okay, the block index is static, the body static, the indexing index is static. Wow, wow. I'm really curious about, like, I want to see a different adapter. Because the node adapter is like too easy to understand for, but no, it's not. But on a very, very, very high level, the things that it can do are limited. So integration, I want to see like the Cloudflare. What is it doing? Okay, director. I have no idea, but I think it's like the difference between deploying one function and multiple functions. I know, but I know it was like a split. Oh. Hi. We have it in front of our eyes. Let's see it. Astro JS Cloudflare adapter. Cloudflare import Cloudflare adapter from Cloudflare. Does it work? Kind of find model as oh. JS. Cloud. Oh, nice. I forgot you can use like the magic. It's going to read the source code and add things. Okay, it's not because we have edited already, but oh, come on, it was correct already. Oh, okay. Defaulted advanced. Of course, defaulted advanced. Okay, cloud forbidden to different mode will play bang. Advanced mode is the workers, and this time direct mode where page will compile the work out of function for in this folder we can layer compile prior to call you to pages plugin. Okay. Okay. The adapter instead compiles a separate value for each page. Okay. Still, I don't understand why it's not building. Okay, now it's building. Okay. Oh, maybe the preview is not working. Yeah, the preview is not working because it is using an adapter that is rely on a different runtime. So totally, I totally understand. It's a little bit pain in the ass because I mean it will be nice, but I guess that absolutely not the case for dev. Dev should work, absolutely should, and it is. It is. Yeah, it is. I also believe everything is dynamic. Yeah, when you're in dev mode. Okay. Okay, let's see the difference. I have no idea why the fuck is not. I'm not having like Git coloring for the difference in here, but whatever. Like root include exclude. Oh, worker. Ooh. Well, there's a lot going on here. Let's see the difference. Astro count book mod directory. You should I want to build. Okay, screw. I'm really confused. Oh yeah, there's a new thing. There is functions that does the magic, and oh, maybe function gets a request and return an HTML files, or HTML files that are matched within this are whitelisted to go directly to the file. I don't know, I'm just speculating. But I think it's time to say hello. Oh, yeah. Then we spent an hour and a half. It was really fun. Gotta do it again. So often I wanted to do something like that, but I was too lazy. But now I gotta work instead. I actually do it more often.